How to start a profitable cooking or baking side hustle. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, the channel where we explore creative ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. If you love cooking or baking, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to start a profitable cooking or baking side hustle that could turn your passion into a lucrative venture. First, let's talk about the importance of finding your niche. Cooking and baking are broad categories, so it's essential to narrow down what you enjoy the most. Do you have a special talent for making cakes, or is meal prepping more your style? Identifying your niche will help you stand out in a crowded market and attract customers who are looking for what you offer. Once you've found your niche, it's time to research your target market. Consider who would be interested in your cooking or baking services. Are you targeting busy professionals who need meal prep services? Or perhaps families looking for custom birthday cakes? Understanding your audience will guide your marketing strategies and help you create products that meet their needs. Next, let's discuss the importance of perfecting your recipes. This step is crucial, especially if you want to sell your culinary creations. Take the time to experiment and refine your recipes until they are just right. Consider hosting small tastings for friends and family to gather feedback. Their input can be invaluable in helping you improve and perfect your offerings. Now that you have your niche and perfected recipes, it's time to create a business plan. This doesn't have to be overly complicated, but you should outline your goals, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Think about how much you want to charge for your products and what expenses you might incur. Having a clear plan will guide you as you start your side hustle. Next, let's talk about the legal side of things. Depending on where you live, you may need to obtain permits or licenses to sell food. Research your local regulations regarding food sales and ensure that you comply with health and safety standards. This step is essential not only for legality, but also for building trust with your customers. Now that you have the groundwork laid, it's time to start marketing your side hustle. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching potential customers. Consider creating an Instagram or Facebook page to showcase your creations. Share high-quality photos of your food, behind-the-scenes videos of your cooking process, and customer testimonials. Engaging with your audience online can help you build a loyal customer base. Another effective marketing strategy is to network within your community. Attend local events, farmers markets, or food fairs where you can showcase your products. Consider partnering with local businesses, such as coffee shops or event planners, to expand your reach. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly powerful, so don't hesitate to ask satisfied customers to spread the word. As your side hustle grows, consider offering promotions or special deals to attract new customers. This could be a discount for first-time buyers or a referral program for loyal customers. Creative promotions can help you build excitement around your business and encourage people to try your products. Finally, always be open to feedback and willing to adapt. The food industry is dynamic and customer preferences can change. Stay in tune with what your customers want and don't be afraid to innovate. This mindset will help you stay competitive and continue to grow your side hustle. Thank you for watching this video on how to start a profitable cooking or baking side hustle. We hope you feel inspired to take the leap and turn your culinary passion into a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Side Income Secrets for more tips on building your side income. Until next time, happy cooking and baking.